So all of my ingredients should all be cut evenly in small pieces. They all like square small pieces. So once you've all done with this one, you could just get one bowl and just put everything together like this. At this point, I decided to put another ingredients. This is Shitake. I've got 2 pieces of Shitake mushroom because I really like the texture of it in SIOMAI. So I'm gonna add these 2 together. I will slice it the same way I slice all my other ingredients. These are 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 oyster sauce. You can also use soy sauce, light soy sauce. So I'm using oyster sauce because I like the sweetness it gives to the food. So I'm going to put about 1.5 tablespoon. Got 1 tablespoon here. So I'm gonna put another 1/2 tablespoon. So you're not going to put so much of it because it's gonna affect the color of your SIOMAI later. Enough. Then black pepper, just a bit. I've got it here, Himalayan salt, but you can actually use any other salt. Just it happens that I only have Himalayan salt. Go. And I've got cornflour here. You can also use cornstarch. So you just have to put 1 tablespoon. And we just have to mix it together. Once you're done you're done making this one, you can actually just leave it for at least ½ an hour for it to marinate for a while. So we have to get ready with our hot water for steaming. So I expanded I'm using, I just put this one. And you just have to pour some water in. You have to make sure that the water doesn't touch with this racking because it can make your SIOMAI too thick. So leave a bit of space in it between your racking and the water. So I've got this little pan here that I'm going to place the SIOMAI later. You have to make sure that you have to spread a bit of oil. So I'm using sesame oil here. There you go. And spread it like that. And then we have to start wrapping this SIOMAI. So you just have to take one of 1 ton wrapper. tablespoon here. So I'm just gonna take 1 tablespoon. And I just have to make flour. Like that. So you have to make sure that you won't close the top bit so the meat will be cooked properly. And just leave it like that. So 1 tablespoon. Just crunch it. Then in here, you just put a bit of oil, spread it. So the remaining part, the remaining pieces, you could just put it in the freezer and keep it for at least 3 weeks, or you could either give it for friends or sell it like this. This is my freezer. I have one here already. This is the Chinese version of SIOMAI. So you can just put it on top as well. Okay. This is optional. You can skip this if you don't want.